Hey guys, Omerko here, self-taught web developer. Here is another video for my 10 series. Through this video, let's take a look at 10 amazing websites for web developers. To start this list, we will start with W3 Schools. W3 Schools is an online school where you can learn web development. You can simply select one of their tutorials for specific technology and even specific feature that you wish to build. Once you do that, you will have a lot of lessons, practices, and examples specific to that technology or a feature. CSS Outdoor is a website where you as a web designer could get into. You can take a look at different ideas and projects that other people made. You can also get the ideas yourself. The cool thing that CSS Outdoor has the list of things, like 15 bootstrap themes that are easy to use. In that, they will give you the real 15 themes with some examples and a demo of those. CodeJobs is another collection website. It is again mostly for web designers, even though front-end developers could find it quite useful as well. There are different collections of features, whole tutorials, articles, and even something called a playground where you can see what others build and build it yourself. Okay, Code Wars is just amazing. Simply create your account, select technologies that you are working with, and you will be prompted with all of those exercises and practices. Try to solve those and even compete with other developers for better results. Website as an idea is built to help developers to be better at their craft. SitePoint as a website is just one big library. On it, we can find resources suitable for web developers, like books for learning different technologies. There are also courses and even tech talks. All of those could help developers to learn and find their way through a web development career. Dev or DevCommunity is a, social media website for web developers. You can look at it as a Twitter for web developers. Simply make an account, post something, get to know someone, see ideas from others, help them if you can, maybe they could also help you. In that way, we can all create community for ourselves that can be quite useful. Well, if you are a web developer, I guess that you already know about this website. Stack Overflow is a forum for developers. Developers would mostly ask questions or post some issues that they had, and the whole community of Stack Overflow will be able to help them to solve those. Next to that, on Stack Overflow, developers often can't find work, as there is also a section for open job positions. You can look at the DevDocs as a documentation website. On the left side of it, you can select technology that you wish to work with, and you will see the whole documentation of it. It is quite good to use this type of website for a reference, as it can help you with your learning and also building stuff. Now, this is probably one of the best CSS websites that you can find. It will have resources, tutorials, videos, examples, practices, and even their books. I cannot tell you how much I use this website. I used it as a reference, or even if I had some problems that I needed to solve. Probably every CSS developer should use it. The website itself is called CSS Tricks. And for the last one, we will go with Codepen. Codepen is a platform where we can post our small projects. Codepen has its own code editor where we can write our code and post those projects. Other developers and users can check our projects, and we as well can get some ideas from others as well. There is also a pro version of Codepen, which will give you quite a lot of things that you can use. And this will be it. This is a list of 10 amazing websites that web developers can use. All of those will offer us some value and fun as well. This will be all for this video, guys. Thank you all for watching. If you liked what you saw, please click like and subscribe, as I'm posting new content weekly. Thank you once again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.